my bike. It's literally so cute. I have a little basket. It's currently 7 o'clock and the sun goes at like 8. So we're just gonna be biking in the meantime. And this is just the cutest bike ever. I'm obsessed with it. I'm so glad I got a basket so I can put like my phone and then my water bottle. If I fall, this bike falls with it. I mean, if I fall, this camera falls in with it. This is a cool angle. It's about 90 degrees, but the breeze feels so good. We're gonna try to do this for an hour. Literally all of the trees got burned down. I think they do this like on purpose, right? This guy is always going somewhere. He never keep up with you. We've done 2 miles so far and we've been doing it for 20 minutes, so we just went back to the car and got some water because I'm so thirsty, but we're gonna go back. Also, I forgot a hair tie, so that kind of sucks. And I washed my hair yesterday, so that also kind of sucks. Also, this water bottle is literally my favorite. It's from Hydro Jug. They have like little ones. This is like giving summer vibes. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm so excited for summer and I'm gonna be riding my bike literally all summer. And I'll have my bike link down below if you guys are interested. It's now 8:22 and we biked for 1 hour and 14 minutes and I'm so dead. It's literally 88 degrees. I don't even know how we did that, but it was a nice workout. It thankfully didn't rain, so that's really nice. But now we're gonna drive back home. I lost 273 calories and the total distance was 9 miles. How did we even do that? 1 hour drive. We come to this park because it's like so nice and there's literally there's not a lot of good ones near our house, so that's why we go to this one. And we usually come with like my parents and stuff, but they weren't able to come. It's like a little date night activity. Okay, I'm getting ready for bed and here's the PJ that I'm wearing. This top is from Lululemon, but I think it's more for gym wear, but I'm not sure. It kind of gives me PJ vibes, so that's why I wear it for PJs sometimes. And then the shorts that I'm wearing are from, I believe, Forever 21. I've had it for so long, but I'm like so comfy. I feel so refreshed. I'm gonna now take off my makeup and get ready for bed. It's currently 10 p.m. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow because I'm just gonna go to bed after this. So see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Outfit. I really like this top and I honestly haven't worn it in a while. It's from Cotton On. I'm thinking about shorts because it's like so hot out, so maybe either the black shorts or these blue shorts. I don't know which one to go with. I'm gonna try it on and see what it looks like. Okay, here's this one. I'm literally standing on Mel's bed, but okay, here's this one. Shorts. Oh my gosh, these shorts are from H&M. I got them such a long time ago. I literally didn't even know I had to check, but honestly this is kind of cute. Like nothing crazy. Since we're just gonna be running a bunch of errands, I think I'm gonna hold off on these shorts because I wear them all the time, but I feel like they're cute. I might go with these shorts because I feel like it's too much black and I don't know if that's what I'm going for. Here's it with the blue shorts. I honestly think it's so much better. It adds like more color. I feel like the other one is just too much black. There's already black polka dots on the shirt. So yeah, the fit of the day. Also, how cute is this bag that I got from AJ? They actually sent it to me and it's literally the cutest beach bag. Like I'm gonna be using this tote bag all the time. I honestly might use it today. Really gross. It's currently 1:36 and I want to go to thrift store because I haven't gone to the thrift store in a while and I want to do that more often this summer. And then I also need to go to the post office to drop off the Depop order that I packed this morning. And then we might have dinner with Caleb's family, so we don't know yet. We're gonna try to get it all done. We also have to go to Target because we need to stock up on something. So yeah, just let's go. We still have the bikes in the back. Okay, I just dropped off my package. Now we're gonna go to the thrift store. Okay, so far I got all of these. They're like all super colorful. I love the striped one right here, so cute. And then these shorts are adorable for like pajamas. I'm not sure if I should get this, but I really like the colors on it. I feel like it gives summer vibes. give you guys a Goodwill haul of everything I got while thrifting. First is this sweatshirt. I have something similar to this and I really like the color. I think it's so cute. I might sell it on Depop or just donate the other one that I have so that I can have like a newer version. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this light pink color. And then this button up long sleeve top, I think it's really cute, like the colors and stuff. I'm still like kind of iffy if I love it or hate it, but I probably will end up wearing this because I love the colors and it's just like gives summer vibes. I did self checkout and I feel like I should have gotten these like hangers off and left it there. These shorts are really cute. They're like pink and white striped and I saw it in the sleeping wear section and I think it's so cute and it feels like really comfy. Guys, look at this color. I love the stripes. I don't know if I'm gonna like, wear this a lot, but I think it's really cute. If you guys don't know, I do sell on Depop, so whenever I see something that I would probably wear or they don't have my size, I'll probably just sell it on Depop. But it's like a teal color and I think it's really cute, especially as like a little beach cover up. And I also got this tube top. It's like blue and like white stripe. You can't really see the white. Oh, and I also got this candle which has like a little flower on it. I think it's so cute and like vintage and it has like pastel colors and it also smells good. So I'm excited to use this for the summertime. And that's everything I got. Now I'm gonna shower because I feel gross. It actually rained when we were at the restaurant, so I definitely need to shower a little bit. I'm not gonna do an everything shower because I just did that like a day ago, so I'll probably just do that tomorrow. But we do need to shower and I want to do my nails because I got a whole nail kit off of Amazon, so I'm really excited. And my brother's graduation is coming up, so we need to do that. It's currently 8:53, so we're gonna be starting that off really late and it's probably gonna take me a while. I just finished with my shower and this is everything that I got for doing my nails at home, which yes, I'm gonna start doing my nails at home because it's so hard for me to like drive all the way to my nail salon, which is an hour drive, and then on top of that paying for that, and I could just like pay for everything that I got and then not pay that every single time. So it's like a one-time payment, but like you don't pay it every month to go and do your nails, and it's like something fun to do, especially for the summertime. So first off, we got the UV lamp because I'm gonna do gel. I got this cuticle oil, cool like tool, this cuticle remover, got some nail filers and buffers, an e-file, and then I got the base gel and top coat by Beetles, and I've heard a lot of people say that they're really good. I actually painted my toenails yesterday with a gel nail polish, which is the coconut silk, and it looks so good. I'm obsessed. Like I'll have all of this stuff linked down below, but we're gonna be putting these nails on my nails. I'm nervous. I also got a nail polish remover, and there's also some more stuff that came in the mail, so I'm gonna go grab that so we can open it together. It came in 2 boxes. First thing I got is this nail dehydrator because I've heard that when you put like a dehydrator on your nail before putting the fake nail on, it actually sticks on longer, so that's what I got. I also forgot to get a primer, and it's not going to come in on time because my brother's graduation is coming up. I don't want to do it really last minute, so we're just going to do what we have. I got some nail art brushes because I want to start doing design. For my first nail, I'm not going to do like any designs because I just don't want them to look bad. I want to start off like slowly and then work my way up. Basically just organized everything before I start doing it. I'm like so nervous, but I'm excited. So let's just see how this goes. I'm gonna keep like watching videos so that I just don't do anything wrong, because I actually forgot to do base gel when I did my toes, so that was really annoying. Also, it looks really bright because I turned on the light. I don't usually use this light because I feel like it just looks so white, and then this looks dark when I tone it down, but whatever. I find all of my inspo videos on TikTok, so that's just like what I'm gonna go through, all my likes of what I've seen how people do it. Guys, I just got the first hand down and this looks so good. I am obsessed with this color right now. I feel like another layer would have done way better, but I think we're just gonna go with this for now. I don't want it to be like super thick, and I don't know how to fix like a thick nail. Right here it's kind of like really thick and I don't know how to fix that, but it looks so good and I'm obsessed with it. Like, here's a little close-up. I definitely feel like another layer would have been like really good, but so far, like for my first nails, I feel like they're really cute. I just put like this cuticle oil, and yeah, those are the nails nail. I still have this one to get down. So I'll report back when I got the other nail done. I mean hand. Okay, I'm back and I did both of my hands. Like they look so good. I'm like so nervous about it popping off though because that took me literally 2 hours. It's midnight right now. So hopefully these stay on. I'll have everything that I use linked down below. I'm not like a professional yet. Like I'm still gonna learn, especially if these come off like really quickly. I'm gonna have to research a lot more. And I've already watched so many videos. I also didn't have a primer. So if it does pop off, it could just be that too. Now I need to clean all of this. Okay, it's currently 12:18 and I just saw this recipe on my For You page and it's banana bread and it's like so easy with only 6 ingredients. So that's what we're gonna do. It's like our very late night snack. It looks so easy. I've done banana bread before and it's just so good. So I'm excited. So here's what we got. We got 3 bananas, 1 cup of peanut butter, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then a pinch of salt that I forgot to put, but I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna actually set like preheat. I don't even know what I'm saying, but you know. And you preheat to 350. And I'm gonna mix it all together, make it this like creamy texture, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. And that's literally it. This is all I have to mix, so this is what we're gonna mix with. Here's how it's looking before I put it in the oven. I added some chocolate chips on it. They're the Hershey ones, so it's not quite healthy, but like this looks so good. And I haven't even put it in. Like I just know what it's gonna look like, so I'm excited. Now I'm gonna clean the house because it's looking really messy, at least the kitchen. Not the house, just the kitchen. Okay, this is honestly kind of scary because it's rising so much. Like it's literally going up to the top and it looks like it's going to overfill, but like not really. So I'm like pretty scared. Maybe I overfilled it. I'm just gonna sit right here because I'm so scared this is gonna overfill. Is this bad? Like, do you guys see that? You guys, this looks amazing. Like how? I honestly overthought it, but I think it did overfill. Like you can see it went pretty up high. I think it looks really good. Hopefully it tastes good. It's now 1:47 a.m. so we're getting ready for bed. First thing I like to do is brush my teeth, so I'm gonna get that out of the way. I just recently started using this Cocoa Lab. It's like a woven floss, and I actually found this on TikTok Shop, which is crazy. I feel like I've been finding so many good things on TikTok Shop. Like I'm about to be one of those people that share TikTok Shop items. This is like the mint flavor. Anyway, I'm gonna do this like off camera. Okay, now I'm gonna remove my makeup. I like to use the Garnier cleansing water. This is so good, and then I just use a cotton roll. I literally always go in first with taking off my mascara because it takes forever to take it off. I go through 3 of these literally every day. 2 for both of my eyelashes and then my whole face. Recently I started using the Osea Ocean Cleanser, and this stuff is so good. Like it makes my skin so soft. So I'll just put this on my face and then I'll rinse it off. And it smells like literally like ocean. And then I also go in with the Tatcha rice wash to like exfoliate everything because I like how the texture is on this. It like really gets everything off. And then I go in with the skin cream by Tatcha. This is like all scent, so I love to use whatever gets sent to me. But my skin has been feeling a lot softer, and I do use the Road, but like here and there. It's not like all the time because I love to switch products. And then I do use a little skin mist by Tatcha. This like refreshes my skin. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. We're almost at 1 million, and I'm gonna do a huge giveaway when we hit 1 million. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see for this summer. I'm so excited for summer, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.